Parts that make me laugh. What? Parts that make me laugh in Sonic Boom. Start the clip.
Why do you hate fun, Tails? You could build cool stuff like a car, a pizza oven, or even a giant bolt.
Building a car or a pizza oven would require a larger Build-It box, which I don't have.
Use this to build a bigger build it by a bagger box, Buzzard. The answer is simple, but saying it not so much.
I knew TV was just a big conspiracy to control everyone's minds. I'm not talking to you. You keep watching.
But in all that time, the plants have never given us anything except oxygen.
And nutrition.
I don't know, a hippopotamus riding on a skateboard?
These numbers are off the chart. Fortunately, I have a bigger chart.
Sunny skies ahead for this. LOL.